My name is Dr. Hugh Hildebrandt. I'm from Medford, Wisconsin, and I am a veterinarian that works in the mink industry. I got involved, I grew up around mink ranches. All of my high school friends were mink ranchers, and my father was a veterinarian who worked in the mink industry. He got the only antibiotic approved for mink, and he was on the research committee. So I got involved that way in mink, kind of grew up around it all my life. And then from there, it got me involved in just the health aspects. I started doing some research on vaccines, and now I do a tremendous amount of work with Lucian's disease and disease testing. So I get to do a lot to just benefit the mink and more of a welfare aspect. Some of the misconceptions, I think, are that the animals aren't well cared for. I see just the opposite. People that if they lose one or two mink, or as an example, last week I had a ranch where just his mink were coughing and when he'd walk into a shed. And I mean, that was a concern to him. You know, it's like us, you know, they shouldn't be coughing. So why are they coughing? And so, you know, we started a number of tests and some workups on trying to figure out exactly what was going on in that ranch. So there's a misconception there that they just feed them and walk away, and that's not true. They monitor how much they eat. They change their diet almost on a weekly basis according to their needs, and you know, and then they really monitor disease. You know, we really do a lot of research trying to find out you know, just welfare, what types of things, and we call them enrichments. What types of things are appropriate for the mink to make their life better. You know, we're continually doing research on feed. We're continually doing research on bedding, trying to find the best bedding products to make them the most comfortable. We're trying to find and improve the feed products. So, you know, those are things that it's an industry there where we're always trying to make it better and improve. Mink consume a tremendous amount of byproduct, use a tremendous amount of byproduct that's unsuitable for human use, it's unsuitable for pet food use, and so those would be things that would end up getting disposed of in landfills, that type of thing. The other thing is it's an all-natural product. You know, we use every aspect of that animal. We use the pelt. We use any oils or fats that are produced by that mink. In fact, in the Midwest, in Wisconsin, Minnesota area in the U.S., you know, they're using it for biodiesel. You know, the carcasses are used for processing, either meat and bone meal or fertilizer, or again processed for biodiesel. So, you know, nothing in that animal at all goes to waste. And so, you know, if you take the whole chain, it's efficient all the way around.